Planet Bollywood.
बोल्ड, बिंदास और आउटस्पोकन कंगना रीबॉक फिट टू फाइट अवार्ड्स 2016 के खास मौके पर अपनी लव लाइफ को लेकर किए जाने वाले कमेंट्स पर हुई इमोशनल।
जिनको दुनिया की निगाहों से छुपा के रखा, जिनको एक उम्र कलेजे से लगा कर रखा, तेरी खुशबू में बसे खत मैं जलाता कैसे, प्यार में डूबे हुए खत मैं जलाता कैसे। It was a very traumatic time for me. But what did I tell myself? I asked myself again and again that what is the truth? I kept asking myself. And I think that answer always mattered to me. And I stayed with that.
कंगना ने अब तक अपने सबसे बोल्ड बयान से सबको किया हैरान।
The letters that I might have written. This speech is dedicated to the letters of a lover, which were brutally exposed to the world. How did I feel as a human being? Because every letter that is written to your lover holds a lot of vulnerability. You are exposing the part of your soul or yourself, not to the world, to an individual. I felt extremely naked in front of the world. I cried for nights in my room. And the worst was that most of it was not even the genuine and authentic stuff. People made fun of me. Even today when I sit with my friends, I mean, I know it's all in good spirit, but I've become a butt of jokes, of course.
कंगना ने बिना अपनी लव लाइफ में इन्वॉल्व पर्सोना का जिक्र किए कुछ ऐसी बातें कह दी जिसके बारे में अब तक कोई नहीं जानता था।
It was the love story, you know, and for me it was very hard to deal with that sort of tragic end of that love. It was the most tragic, and I think nobody will understand for them. And today it still hurts when they write it's the most ugliest scandal or the most ugliest fight, because for me it's not. So I think I just wanted to share that.
कंगना खुलकर बोलती हैं और रीबॉक फिट टू फाइट अवार्ड्स 2016 के खास मौके पर वो ना सिर्फ बोली, उन्होंने तमाम हेटर्स के मुंह को भी बंद कर दिया जो उनकी आउटस्पोकन एटीट्यूड को टारगेट करते हैं।
Like I said, I'm born with a lot of fire in my belly, and I don't want to pretend that I don't want the world. I am this sacrificing woman. I just want love. No, I want everything, and I want to do better than my lover. I want to outdo my father. I want to make more money than my husband. And if that scares you and make you run away, then you. Friends are these days making this joke about me that I should have cameras, so every time anybody penetrates, I should have evidence for that. So I think it's okay. You will become a butt of jokes, but it's fine. I mean, you have to have humor about it. This is the only time I'm sobbing about it. Otherwise, everyone is pulling my leg.
कंगना रनौत यहाँ किसका जिक्र कर रही थी ये आप भी अच्छी तरह से समझ गए होंगे। कंगना रनौत ने रीबॉक फिट टू फाइट अवार्ड्स 2016 के इस खास इवेंट पर जिस बोल्डनेस और बिंदास एटीट्यूड के साथ अपनी कंट्रोवर्शियल लव लाइफ के बारे में बात की वो काबिल तारीफ है। आखिर बॉलीवुड में ऐसा कभी देखने के लिए नहीं मिलता। ब्यूरो रिपोर्ट, जूम, मुंबई। For all the Garma Garam Bollywood gossip news and more, download the Zoom app now.